It's early, coffee's gone cold, but your inbox is still flooded. Invoices, packing lists, arrival notices, landing from every shipper in every format you can think of. Some by email, some by EDI, some just a photo snapped on a phone. And of course, half of them are missing something. So you spend the morning chasing vendors who went quiet since Tuesday, while some of them sit on the very details you need to file that ISF before the vessel at the port can set sail. Then the real work begins. The invoice just says steel parts, but the packing list runs 40 lines, and every single one needs its own HTS code. Codes that change so often, you're in 3 group chats just to keep up. Get one wrong, and the duty's wrong, the client's furious, and it's your name and license on that filing. So you sit there, document beside document, eyeballing every weight, every value, every origin by hand, praying nothing slipped through. And once it finally checks out, you start typing, line by line into your entry software, building the 7501 by hand. 40 entries keyed one at a time, hoping you don't fat finger a number somewhere around line 30. And the whole time, a container is sitting at the port, its free days ticking down. Miss the last free day, and demurrage kicks in at hundreds of dollars a day. And the clock does not care how busy you are. This is the job. Brilliant, licensed experts spending the day as part detective, part data entry clerk, and part hostage negotiator. Now picture that same morning, but this time your inbox is clean, you're not scrambling around, and your coffee's still hot. This time, every document lands in one place the second it arrives. And those vendors who ghosted you since Tuesday? Docxster keeps politely nudging them for you, follow-up after follow-up, until the missing document shows up. You never send another just circling back email again. Once it's in, Docxster actually reads it. Any format, any template, even the blurry phone photo. It pulls every detail down to the line item, then cross-checks them against each other on its own. So the mismatched weight you used to catch 3 days later surfaces in seconds. And that 40-line packing list? Docxster maps every line to its HTS code for you, and also flags any PGA or ADD/CDV requirement. But it doesn't file anything. It hands you a ready answer while your licensed broker makes the final call. Docxster does the grunt work. You stay the expert. That part was never going to change. And once every line is classified and confirmed, there's still all 40 of those lines to key into your filing software by hand. Except now you don't have to. Docxster plugs right into your preferred entry filing software and passes the clean, finished data straight through. So the 7501 is drafted and waiting, ready for you to review. Remember that container whose free days were running out? Docxster's been watching it the whole time. It tracks your vessels and flags the last free day early, so you clear the cargo before demurrage ever starts. Every cleared document then files itself in Docxster Drive, neat and searchable by what's actually inside it, not by whatever someone named the file. So next time a client or an auditor wants that one paper from 3 months ago, you find it before they finish the sentence. And that's how Docxster turns your incoming commercial invoices, packing lists, and bills of lading into filing-ready 750s, inbonds, and ISFs. Same expertise, same control, none of the chaos. Docxster, turn documents into decisions.